Hey guys, welcome to Motorides. My name is Amit and this obviously is the BMW 3 Series, but this is not the car that I reviewed the last time I reviewed it. And the last time I reviewed the fantastic 330i, which obviously is in a different league in terms of performance. There is no other car in this segment that comes close to that machine. However, if you want a good blend of great performance and fuel efficiency, the BMW 320d, in my personal opinion, is probably the best suited car in this segment for India. And in this review, I'm going to let you know how this engine and transmission makes it a vehicle par excellence for this segment. And while there are other cars, if you put it all in a package, if you talk about the driving pleasure, if you talk about the comfort, if you talk about even the efficiency, in fact, even if you talk about the packages which are available as warranty, there is no other car which can beat the BMW 320d in its segment. And while I've talked at length about all the features which are available in this car in my previous video, where you can find out everything about this car, in this video I'm going to talk about primarily the engine and the transmission, which is a gem, the handling, and why you should be buying this car if you want the perfect blend of driving fun and efficiency as well as value for money. So let's get going about this. Now I've done a very detailed review of this car in the petrol, guys, and that engine, the 330i, is a bomb in itself. However, if you don't just want performance, if you want a more balanced package, the diesel is a more practical and a more suited option for India, primarily because the fuel efficiency here is unreal, and the ARA rated fuel efficiency of this car is 20.3 kmpl, which is absolutely mind-blowing, and you can indeed get about 12 to 13 kilometers to the liter in the city with this car. And on the highway, if you're driving with a light right foot, you can get up to 18 kilometers to the liter, which is fantastic. And especially with the fuel prices going northwards, it's important that you look at that aspect as well. However, even with that mind-bogglingly good fuel efficiency, the performance on tap here is absolutely refreshing. And I can say this with confidence after having spent one full day in this car, that on the road, if you want a very practical car in the premium range, there is no better sedan which can deliver on all the fronts, be it comfort, be it handling, be it fuel efficiency, or be it whatever an Indian customer could want. In terms of dynamic ability, there is absolutely nothing which can touch this car, and be it the C-Class or the Audi A4 or even the S60, there is absolutely nothing which can deliver the joy of driving as much as this car can. There's 190 HP of power on tap with 400 Newton meters of torque, and 0 to 100 is dispatched in less than 8 seconds, but that's not what really matters. It's the amount of torque which is available in the mid revs. You just dab the right pedal and there is always enough amount of torque and power on tap to make you surge ahead, and you in most of the cases would be faster than anything else on the road. But with the rear wheel drive setup and this very neutral, natural, beautifully set up steering wheel, you are going to love every centimeter of the road that you have traversed in this car. It's absolutely a delight, and it really stamps the authority of BMW in terms of dynamic ability, in terms of the sheer joy of driving. And when they say that they make the best drivers cars, they really mean it. And if you drive the BMW 3 Series, even in the diesel, guys, you would realize why they have every right to say so. Now that is one part of the equation, but in terms of the ride quality also, they have achieved a very beautiful balance between a comfortable ride and great dynamic ability. And even on some of the bad surfaces, you would not feel like the vertical movement is pronounced. In fact, this is one of the most well cushioned cars that you'll come across in this segment. And while the Grand Limo variant of this car has even better suspension in terms of comfort, I think the standard version gives you a better balance in terms of handling and ride comfort. So if you really want a car which does it all for you, ferry your kids to the school, take your family out for a day at the mall, or plaster a big smile on your face when you're hunting the corners over a weekend, this car can really do it all. And trust me, you really have to drive this car if you're interested in buying in this segment. your choice won't be complete unless you have test driven this one. It's really the most amazing car in this segment. So whether you want to buy a car for driving fun or otherwise, in my humble opinion, I really believe that the BMW 320d checks all the right boxes, and I won't say much. I would just ask you to go ahead and take a test drive of this car. You are going to be amazed at its capabilities on the road. For conditions where you have to probably go off the road, where you require some off-road capability, there are other options, but if you are going to be driving primarily on the road, this has my recommendation. So guys, there is nothing much to conclude here. At 48.5 lakh rupees, in my personal opinion, there is no other alternative to this car if you're buying in this segment. And if you want a diesel premium sedan, I cannot really recommend any other car to you over this. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Motoroids, and until next time, this is Amit Changhani signing off. Rev hard, rev free, and drive safe.